Hello children, now coming to the properties of LCM and HCF. The first property says HCF is always less than, this is symbol of less than, because HCF is less than the given numbers. Less than crocodile's mouth is always open towards the bigger number. So always remember, if it is pointing towards this side, it means this side is greater than the number at the back of the crocodile. Okay. Is either less than the given numbers or smallest of the two numbers. Let's solve it and find out. Now, coming up to the factors of 10. 1 tens are, 2 5s are, that's it. 15. 1 15, 3 5s are, and that's it. So, factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10, and factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15s. Now we know the biggest factor of the number is number itself. Okay, so either it will be smallest of the two numbers or less than the given numbers. It can never be greater. If it is equal to both the numbers cannot be same. So it has to be less than the number. So in this case, the common factor is 5. So HCF is 5. Now in case of 7 and 21, 7 is a prime number. So only factor of 7 will be 1 into 7, and for 21 it will be 1 into 21, 3 into 7. It will come in the table of 7. So 7, 1 and 7, and for 21 the factors are 1, 3, 7 and 21. So in this case the common factor is 7. So HCF is 7. Now, when both the numbers are co-prime means that they do not have a common factor other than 1. 1 is a factor of every number, that we know. So, in this case, 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers. They do not have any common factor. So, in this case, HCF will be 1. 4 and 5 also are co-prime. They do not have any common factor. So, HCF will be 1 in this case. Now, LCM of two given numbers will either be greater than the given numbers or equal to the greatest number among the given numbers. Fine. Let's check out whether this statement is right or wrong. So, we are given find LCM of 15, 18, 25 and 27, and we'll be doing it by division method. 18, 25 and 27. So these three numbers go with 3. 5s are, 6 are, 25 will come as it is, and 9. Again 6 and 9 are divisible by 3. 5 and 20, 5 and 25, they are divisible by 5. And here all these numbers are prime numbers, so we need not solve it further because they do not come in any other common table. So LCM will be equal to 3 into 3, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 9 into 10, 90, 90 into 15. 1350 is the answer. Now, what if the two numbers, the numbers given in this case are 5, 125 and 25. Now, let's see. So 5 1s are, 5 5s are 25. 1 and 5. So LCM will be 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 125. Now, in this case, we are talking about, when we talk about LCM, we are talking about multiples. And we know that multiple is always either the number itself or greater than the numbers. So when we are talking about a common multiple, it will always be greater than the number or the greatest number among the numbers given. Now what if property number 4, what is the LCM of co-prime numbers? LCM of co-prime numbers will be the product of the numbers. The product of numbers. How? Let's take two numbers, 2 and 3. Nothing is common. So, if you do it in division form, 2 and 3, nothing is common. 2 1s are, 3s are, 3 1s are, 3s are. So, LCM will be equal to 2 into 3, 6. The product of the numbers. Now, relationship between LCM, HCF and product of numbers. When two numbers are given to us, then product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. Let us solve it with the help of an example and prove it. Let's take any two numbers, 12 and 18. We find this is left hand side, this is right hand side. So, the property says product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. Now this question in itself has got three parts. In this part we will be solving product, then we find out LCM, then we find out HCF and multiply LCM with HCF. So this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Let's find out. 12 multiplied by 18. So this is equal to 211. 216. Let's find the LCM. LCM of 12 and 18. 2 6 are, 9s are, 3 2s are, 3s are. So if we calculate it this way, this is the HCF and LCM is the whole thing. LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, which means 4 into 9, 36. HCF we have not done with this method, but we have done with long division methods. Let's follow that method. So 12 and 18, 1s are 12 and 12. 2s are 12, so HCF is equal to 6. Now product of LCM and HCF is 36 into 6. 216. So this left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence this property is correct. So if we are given two numbers and we are asked to verify the property, we'll be following this whole procedure in which we find product of two numbers, LCM, HCF and multiply LCM with HCF and find out whether are they both equal. So in case they are, left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verify it.